Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore BigBear.ai Holdings in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, and we are here now to provide an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of February, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.1. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of 41.99%. This translates to an average loss of 3% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 15.72% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 15.72% to 301.74%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about 60.87%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 59.40% and 448.4% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $4.73 and $16.28. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings features the headline: BigBear.ai Holdings stock price took a fall of 14.9% on Tuesday. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price decreased by 14.9% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, dropping from $3.49 to $2.97. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated 9.09%, ranging from a low of $2.86 to a high of $3.12. The price has declined in 5 of the last 10 days and is down by 36.94% over this period. Trading volume increased on the last day by 7 million shares despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly elevated risk over the next few days. In total, 49 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $144.1 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price sits 71.3%, or $7.38, below the 52-week high, and 81.58%, or $13.15, below the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai, or BBAI, is experiencing significant sell-offs today, with shares down over 13% following the announcement of a delay in a crucial financial filing. The filing delays are compounded by the company's disclosure that certain financial statements are unreliable, sparking investigations into potential securities fraud. This uncertainty has investors on edge, pushing the stock down by 11.6% earlier in the day. Adding to concerns, BigBear recently reported an accounting restatement linked to convertible debt maturing in 2026, prompting further scrutiny. Despite securing important contracts with the United States Department of Defense, analysts have noted persistent issues with minimal growth prospects and ongoing cash burn, which have raised doubts about the company's long-term viability. In recent sessions, the broader artificial intelligence sector has faced pressure due to macroeconomic worries, especially with fluctuating market conditions and potential external factors affecting the economy. The consensus among analysts indicates continued unprofitability, contributing to BBAI's steep market corrections. In the short term, this instability may lead to further declines in share price as investor sentiment remains fragile. Long-term prospects could hinge on the company's ability to manage its financial disclosures effectively and restore confidence among stakeholders amid ongoing operational challenges. As it stands, BBAI's outlook appears increasingly uncertain. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 15th of October 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright similarly assigned BBAI a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock for BigBear.ai Holdings is exhibiting sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $3.26 and $5.58. A breakthrough above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 69.63%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently evident from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, observed 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 86 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, identified 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, recorded 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, noted 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, sell signal, identified 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal, recorded 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, noted 129 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $2.82. Without additional support from accumulated volume beneath this level, the risk is heightened. A drop below this support may result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock is likely to experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating a high level of volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 260 cents between its high and low points, which represents a change of 9.09%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 8.51%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may point to insufficient profitability and an increased risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 6 cents per share. It is important to pay attention to these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $3.14. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $2.82. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On the 12th of March, 2025, BBAI Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 3,629,108 shares of common stock. The following day, on the 13th of March, 2025, BBAI Ultimate Holdings LLC conducted another insider sale, this time of 1,707,837 shares of common stock. On the 12th of March, 2025, Hayes Dorothy D. sold 16,000 shares of common stock in an insider transaction. Earlier on the 7th of March, 2025, BBAI Ultimate Holdings LLC sold 2,660,841 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 10th of March, 2025, BBAI Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 3,137,293 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 92.272. In total, insiders purchased 4,651,738 shares and sold 110,208,961 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock and have not established a stop loss. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Currently, BigBear.ai Holdings stock exhibits several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, our analysis suggests that the stock may underperform in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this investment. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 19th of March, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open higher by approximately $0.0134, starting at a price of $2.98. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.